In new build houses, the baths rarely get very warm because the hot tap on the bath goes through one of these little mixer things. It takes the cold water and the hot water into this. What does it say? It says it the name there. Tight. Anyway, it takes both the hot water and the cold water and mixes them so that the water can never get too hot. I'm not sure what temperature it sets to. On this one, anyway, there isn't any sort of guide to tell you how hot it should be. It depends on the boiler temperature and the cold water temperature. So all you can really do is mix it. And so if you take this little cover off, you see there's just a little bolt there. And then if you get your shifting spanner, you can just gently turn this. You need to get your hand under the hot tap. You can do it while it's running, and then you'll know exactly what's happening. Or so I thought. But basically, you can turn this anti-clockwise, and when the water gets hot enough, then you can stop. Or you can just keep turning it, and it will eventually just stop against whatever is in there. It'll just stop itself, and then that's as far as it goes. Another thing you can do is just turn off the cold there, but I noticed when you turn that off, it seems to cause something to happen in the mixer, and the water just stops completely. So if there's no cold water, must be like a fail-safe, just stops the tap running, or it comes to like a little trickle. So there you go. Once you've done that, just stick that little cover back on, screw it up, and then put the cover back on your bath, and then you can enjoy a nice warm bath. Just be careful if you do have children or babies that you're bathing. That's what this device is for. So don't go taking it off and then expecting to not have a stinkingly hot bath. Make sure you check the temperature as you normally would, even if one of these was on. And it still is on, you've just made it a little bit warmer. Obviously you could take the whole thing off and just stick an elbow in there and turn the cold isolator off there. But I'll not go into that. This is good enough.